To download the NeuroNation app, enter the app of Google and download the app. I'll welcome you with a message. Click on Start, follow the tutorial. The app will give you a first tutorial. In this case, what you should do is follow the direction of the red arrow. At the end, tells you welcome to the test of strengths and weaknesses. Click to start. The test consists of memorizing the order in which the circles appear. Click on Understood and follow the sequence. In this way you go forward. In the upper right you can see the time in minutes that you take. Games are essential at all stages of life, but in the elderly they are extremely recommended for the great benefits they can bring to the quality of life and health of the elderly. A key factor in the functioning of the brain is language. For this reason, word games are ideal for improving verbal skills, keep the brain alert, practice problem solving and prevent the risk of cognitive decline in older people.